Jameson. What's wrong? Oh, what's wrong? You want to hear the blow jar? You want to hear the blow jar? Is that better? Do you like the blow jar? Huh? You can't decide. You don't know if you want to smile or cry. Oh, that's pitiful. Pitiful. You're so bad. You're so bad. Okay, it's too hot for the blow jar. It's like 100 degrees outside. We gotta find something else. We gotta find something else to play with. Gotta find something else. It's too hot for the blow jar. Yeah, it's too hot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's too hot for the blow jar. It's too hot. We gotta find another toy. Yeah, we gotta find another toy. Yeah, we gotta find something else. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. You still unsure? You still thinking about throwing a fit, huh? Thinking about it. Thinking about it. Oh, you're so bad, boy. You're so bad. You're a little bit spoiled. Are you spoiled? Are you spoiled? Are you spoiled? Yeah? Say yes, ma'am. I'm spoiled. I'm spoiled.